Today in this video we will see how to restrict someone from changing the passcode of your iPhone or removing the passcode from your iPhone. If someone knows the passcode of your iPhone, then they can go to settings here. Then they can go to this option Face ID and passcode. They can enter the passcode and then they can either change the passcode or turn off the passcode. But if you want to restrict, then what you do is go ahead and open settings here. Go to this option Screen Time. Go to this option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll down. Go to this option Passcode Changes. Enter the Screen Time passcode. So this passcode will be different than the passcode that you use to open your iPhone. And you have to select this option Don't Allow. Now once you do it, what happens is if you go back to settings here, then there won't be Face ID and passcode option here. It will be hidden. So in this way you can restrict others to remove the passcode or to change the passcode from your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.